My name is Sam, and I'm hosting the Detroit Jazz Festival. You gotta be here, August 30th through September 2nd. Meet us here at Hart Plaza, meet us here at Campus Martius Park, and all along Woodward Avenue. This is the 45th Detroit Jazz Festival.
The thing about it is the greatest free festival in the world.
It is improvisation inside a structure.
I think the Detroit Jazz Festival is by far one of the greatest jazz festivals that I know of.
We try to spend as much time down there as possible.
Live jazz is alive and well. I promise you that you're gonna have the livest time that you've ever had at a jazz concert. Places you can go to in Detroit to hear wonderful live jazz music. Cliff Bells. We ran into Paul Howard, the owner of Cliff Bells, and he thoroughly explained the history of Cliff Bells.
Cliff Bell was a real person. He was a bit of an outlaw back in the 20s, a speakeasy, a bootlegger. He was a wanted man for a while. He opened this place in 1935. The place operated under several other names through the 70s and 80s. Went downhill, the neighborhood fell apart, the building was abandoned. This place was left empty in 1985. It took many months to even begin to uncover what had been here in terms of this beautiful Art Deco. When we did, it was a very rewarding experience.
And they're really great about featuring and nurturing and having preserved the place, preserving the place for the furtherance of jazz in Detroit.
We, for the last couple years at least, have been an official venue of the festival. So we're one of the after party venues where they have the jam session. That's a festival sponsored event.
They have a commitment to young talent.
Because we've been here so long and presented this stage for so long, we've seen these kids, a lot of them grow up and now they're deep in their careers. Some of them leave town, a lot of them leave and come back.
All the way from the high schools, and then they really land firm with the instructors and the students on the university level.
We have that ecosystem here in Detroit. The festival's part of it. The schools are part of it. The churches are part of it. The universities are part of it.
All of these schools now have jazz being taught as part of their curriculums, and they're having a good time with it.
I think we've got a venue that should last 100 years here. People want to see this. It's a unique kind of experience to be able to see great live music up close in a club setting.
I think that's it. It's a wrap. We'll see you here at the Jazz Festival. It's going to be absolutely wonderful. Some things must be experienced live to get the optimum out of it. And to get the optimal out of it, you need to be here. Live is the only way to experience the Detroit Jazz Festival.